Hello there folks, welcome to a new video, and today we're going to be doing the daily install series of iOS 2. And yes, it is very much late in the night because, well, in my own personal opinion, I think maybe, I think, you know, having an install late into the night with the dark and, well, I don't know, look, we're doing, 4, we're doing 4. Although technically it's 4.5, I don't really care. It's the latest version that has the IBM branding, or else there's like an update after this. And yes, I have gotten past this. Oh, whoa! Ooh, please insert the OS2 Warp CD-ROM into the CD-ROM. So I'm guessing that's the client, right? That's the you? Congratulations! Uh-huh. Preparing your system, configuring your hardware, installing OS2. I don't think it understands what I have here, so we're gonna do a quick little detour, and we are going to Strange. I was taking a look at a video. Ooh, yep. That means we actually do in fact need the OS2 boot CD, because what it I think I don't know. Would it be smart for us to like format the drive? I think that'll actually be another detour as we actually go ahead and install technically OS2 DOS. Alright, I have one thing inserted to the drive now, and that is the 6.22 for the floppy drive, which means we should be able to. Yep, alright. I only have the first floppy disk inserted because what we're going to be doing is we are going to be fdisk. Format C. Yes. Call this OS. Alright, so we just go ahead, remove the floppy disk, and we should be able to actually boot into OS2 setup. Huh? VCU created one. What? Alright. Can we just. Alright. That's a bit strange. Is our video going along? 1 minute? So it told us that it created something. And I'm not sure what. But that something is loading. Please wait. Alright, I think we're ready. So we just hit storage, Lion, locating the files. Right. Set the volume. How about we just not format it? Enter. And I think that's just it. OS2. Oh boy. You thought we were gonna have to install it. It is very fast. Holy crap. Holy crap. This video might be uploaded late night, which means we might not be able to. This may actually be one of the main reasons why it's probably whoa, whoa. Either that's our... No, because the client that we had before complained. It didn't boot. But here, yeah, we're making ground. Hmm. Curious. I made a little oopsies. Don't worry. Seems like we're heading just fine, in fact, actually. Let's go ahead and do a show lot. Let's go ahead and do a session. So, okay, yeah, that's the one that we want. Alright, let's see. Not Control R. Then we're gonna dupe it. I guess we don't need the session info now, huh? It's just there. Alright. IEC ROM, multimedia device support. Yeah, alright. I guess not. Secondary display. You can do a secondary display? Holy shit. Hmm. What is Ultra Bay? Could someone, like, give me a good example of this? Hmm. That's not big. So I'm guessing we just hit next. Alright. That sounds hard for a company, also, I think. Fine, I'll enter a password. You won't get to it because it's gonna be gone after I finish the video. How's that, huh? Also, it's not on 86 bucks, but rather VirtualBox. Huh. And so we went from no, no, we did use VirtualBox before. We did use VirtualBox before. Way early on in, and I guess this is it. Do we test it out or do something like that? I mean, most likely we should. But, I mean, it's late at night. Well, no, it's 9:54. Alright. How far are we in? We're at 7 minutes, so I guess we can do a little funny customizations. Hmm. So I don't think sound's working, so... we're gonna have to, set that up. Hmm. Hmm. Wait, how come there's two PCs for that monitor? Like, wouldn't that be the hello? Is that my brain is not working right now. Also, is there any activity in? Yeah, there is some brain activity. It's like, oh, now you want me to work, huh? Oh, now you want me to work, huh? Alright, fine, I'll work. Please wait. Yeah. Alright. Well, here we are. Yes, install the following. Yeah, yeah, I think I'm good. Alright, I guess we're in. Hmm. Hmm. Let's skip communicator. Alright. Who's willing to think that www.google.com is not going to work and we're not connected to the internet? Yep, we're not connected to the internet. Unfortunate. I thought there was more color. Okay. Okay. TCP/IP. Hmm. Well, okay, I guess. All right. Applications. Game. Hmm. Oh. Uh. Hmm. Solitaire. Let's try that, shall we? We're gonna do full game, uncut, uncensored. You guys are gonna like that, huh? Oh boy. Oh, I'm pulling like good stretch right now. My left. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I don't think this is entertaining. Mahjong? No apps. I don't really think we have any way of connecting the internet except by LAN, unless people do know how to actually do that. I think that's. Do we have Windows? No. You know what? I think that's pretty much going to be it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you later. Peace. I think we might deal with this later. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Peace.